Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. As-salatu was-salamu ala khatimin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. Amma ba'd. Fa'auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Qala Allah ta'ala fi Surah Al-E-Imran. إن الذين يشترون بعهد الله وأيمانهم ثمنا قليلا أولئك لا خلاق لهم في الآخرة ولا يكلمهم الله ولا ينظر إليهم يوم القيامة ولا يذكيهم ولهم عذاب أليم. Translation: Surely those who sell their commitment with Allah and their own oaths by taking a small price, they will have no share in the life of hereafter. Allah will not speak to them nor look at them on the day of judgment, nor will He purify them, and they will have grievously painful punishment. Jews broke their ahad, their commitment and oath with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala when they rejected Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, because they had made an oath that they will identify the Prophet who will be the last Prophet and they will follow him. But when they identified Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and they realized that they will lose their worldly position if they accept Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, they rejected him. So they broke the oath of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for the small worldly benefit of their worldly position. The Jews also used to make false oaths because of the worldly benefits in other matters as well. And other people also did that. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala did not mention anyone specifically in this ayah and gave the general commandments and general rules that whoever will break the commitment or oath will have these punishments. If we ponder on this ayah, there are 5 punishments for people who break their oath or commitment. Number 1, they will have no share in the hereafter and they only have this world. Number 2, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will not talk to them. Number 3, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will not look at them with His mercy. Number 4, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will not purify them from their sins. And number 5, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will give them painful punishment. Now we will try to understand this ayah with the reference of some ahadith. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said that whoever takes a false oath so that he can get someone's wealth, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will meet him in the situation that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will be angry at him, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has verified this in Quran. Hazrat Ibn Masud anhu recited the ayah that we studied today. In another hadith, Hazrat Abdullah bin Abi Awfa anhu narrated that one man stood to sell his goods and he swore on Allah that he bought that goods for that much wealth, and that was a lie because he did not give that much money for that good. Sometimes the traders do that they want to sell their goods and they take false swearing and false oaths, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala sent this ayah. This hadith is mentioned in Sahih Bukhari. In another hadith, Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said that in the day of Qiyamah, in the day of resurrection, there are 3 kind of people that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will not talk to them and they will have painful punishment. Hazrat Abu Zar radiyallahu ta'ala anhu said, woe on them and they will be in lots of loss. But who are those people, O Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam? Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said that whoever is taking their clothes below their ankles, and whoever gives someone for ihsan and then he reminds him his favors, and the last one is the one who is taking false oaths and swears to sell his goods. In another hadith, Prophet Muhammad said that if somebody is swearing and taking false oath, he may sell his goods, but the barakah from that trade will go away. In another hadith, Prophet Muhammad said that whoever made a swear to get a right of another Muslim, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will make mandatory for him the hellfire and he will make Jannah haram on him. Oh Allah, make us take care of our oaths and swears. Ameen. Wa akhiru dawana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.